Miss Ligia Vargas. Today I will talk about the palato-alveolar fricative sounds. The first sound is sh. This is a voiceless palato-alveolar fricative sound. Its symbol is this. Well, it is palato-alveolar because the position of the tongue has to go behind the alveolar, bringing the tongue closer to the palatal. With respect to the second characteristic, this is a fricative sound. This means that the air will be partly blocked and it will produce friction. And that is where the sound comes to life. And the third characteristic is that this is a sound without voice. Means that it is a sound without vibration. Simply the air flows without affecting the sound. Regarding the position of the lips, they should go in a round position. Shh. Some examples with this sound are shit, shit, show, show, sheriff, sheriff, finish, finish, crash, crash. The strategy I use to master the first sh sound is to practice frequently. To produce this sound is to pretend to shoot up by putting your finger on your lips. Shh. Another way to master the sound is to record yourself producing this sound so you can listen and improve. And the second sound, that is Z. This is a voiced fricative alveolar palatal sound. Its symbol is. This sound has the same articulation as the previous sound. It is articulate when the tongue approaches the palatal and the tip of the tongue is positioned behind the alveolar. Vibration is added. Well, regarding the position of the lips, they are in the same position as the previous sound. Z, z. Some examples with this sound are beige, beige, pleasure, pleasure, vision, vision, decision, decision, mirage, mirage. The strategies I use to master the second sound, Z, were practicing this sound. Also a tip that helped me pronounce words in Spanish that have the WL letter. For example, lluvia, because when producing in the having correct articulation, it produces the sound of Z. And also, like the previous sound, it is recorded producing this sound. Well, the only thing that is done with these two sounds is to add or remove the voice, that is to close and open the vocal cords. Finally, I have two tongue twisters with the two songs. The first tongue twister is with the Z sound. Don't sabotage my treasure, don't sabotage my treasure, don't sabotage my treasure. In the college was a camouflage bouquet. This genre is usually a threat. And the second tongue twister is with the sh sound. Well, she sells seashells by the seashore. The she sells and the seashells, I'm sure. For if she sells by the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Thank you.